up, guys? It's your boy Samueltochi, and today I'll be interviewing one of the best. He's also the youngest. He's also the richest, and he's a popular forex trader, and his name is Habbyforex. So I'm just inside his office. I'm just trying to go find where he's really seated at. So let me just go look for him.
How are you, Tochi? How's it going? After 2 years with me.
Yeah, sure. So what's up, guys? See your boy Samueltochi, and with me here is one of the best. Like I said, he's the richest and the youngest forex trader here in Nigeria. He's Habbyforex. I don't want to say much. Let me just let him introduce himself. So can we get to know you, sir?
To have you here, Tochi, really nice coming. It's a pleasure to have you. So basically, as I said, I'm Habbyforex, popularly known as Habbyforex. Yeah. Number one, your favorite forex trader in Nigeria, as you all know.
Okay, so can you give us a little bit of background about how you got involved in forex trading? Like, what was life like before forex?
I must tell you, life was pushing for me before forex, you know, because of course in life, man, if you don't have money, yeah, you don't want to experience it, yeah. So it's crazy, and I wouldn't wish it for my enemy, you know.
Wow.
But like it wasn't so bad. At least I was feeding myself, and I was still okay at my young age before forex trading. But one good thing that I realized was that I started forex trading at a very young age, and I'm very glad I discovered that now.
Youth of nowadays, they are looking for sharp means of making money. So what is your
man? It's so sad. It's so sad that a lot of people compare their 10 days to some people 100 days in hustling, right? If you understand what I mean.
Sure.
Of course, everybody wants street thing, what is easy to make.
Yeah.
Of course, look at they need to understand, like, look at those people that are legit making money. None of them get where they are. Probably in a year time, or you just need to like keep up the hustle, do something, just keep pushing. Definitely you too will get there, but in matter of time, you need to understand that in matter of time you will definitely get it.
Can you really like explain more to maybe the people watching now, like why most people fail in forex trading? Because normally, you know, this forex trading of a team, like people start and all of a sudden you see the person has just give up, and like because of the frustration you just give up.
Well, one thing is I understand about people is people don't develop passion for something easily. Yeah, if you develop passion for you to start something, it will be hard for you to give up. Like if you ever read my book, Breaking the Economic Mist as a Nigerian youth, if you haven't, you need to go read the book. There are recommended several ways you can make money online, even what I don't do, right? But I made lots of research to document in the book to help Nigerians like me make money several ways, something you can just get into and to definitely like come out good for you if you put in the work there. So get my book if you're looking out to like find what you want to do or a career for you to jump into. Get my book, read it if you're the type that likes reading book. I'm very sure that it will do something in your life.
Can you like give us the one secret that really got you to where you are today? That one secret that you hardly share outside, but it is one of the secrets that got you to this limelight you are now.
Well, to me, there's not any secrets like hiding. But just one thing is, everybody already know I'm very transparent. But just one thing is, I'm somebody always seeking for knowledge every day, seeking for knowledge day by day, trying as much to correct my mistakes, trying as much to learn day by day, you know. And I think that's one thing that keeps me going, you know. You lose. You make mistake, learn from it, don't do it again. Just keep going.
So guys, that is it for today. Finally, I finally met with the boss, one of the richest at the Forex. So I finished the interview, so I'm about heading out. So see you guys on the next episode, because we'll be having a part 2 of this interview. Maybe that one will be more like a day in the life of a Forex trader. That is happy in particular. So see you guys in the next episode.